So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. So now we have to complete our assignment second, educational leadership, week second, assignment second. So the first question is professional education is concerned with the following main aspects of development expect except. So now the answer is let's check the answer. So the answer is professional education is concerned with three main aspects of development: professional knowledge based competence in professional action, development of reflection. So the answer of first question is B, ability to exert control. Now the second question is CPD stand for. So the second question of answer is continuous professional development. So the answer of second question is B, continuous professional development. So the third question is which of the following is not a characteristics of 21st century learner? Tech savvy, creative, networker, reliant on media, or maladaptive. So the answer of third question is 21st century learners are collaborative, network and communication, adaptive and creative, media and technology savvy, reliant on media. So the answer of third question is E, maladaptive. So now the fourth question is which of the following is a characteristics of 21st century educators? So the answer of fourth question is now check. So the answer of fourth question is adapters to curriculums requirement ICT students learning style. So the answer of fourth question is C. Now the fifth question is in learner centric system active learning can be encouraged by using dash. So the game based learning, mobile apps, flipped classes, none of the above or all of the above. So the answer of fifth question is E, all of the above. Now, the sixth question is thinking about teaching and always improving it in innovative ways is called. So, the answer of sixth question of answer is reflective practice, thinking about teaching and always improving it in innovative way. So, the answer of sixth question is A, reflective practice. Now, the seventh question is which of the following is not one of the step in the five-step model of problem solving? So, hypothesizing, reasoning, putting up question, testing, or incubation. So the answer of seventh question is five-step model of problem solving, suggestion, solution, posting question, hypothesizing, reasoning, or testing. So the answer of seventh question is E, incubation. Now the eighth question is highest level of reflection leads to. So the option is worthwhileness, worthlessness, worthiness, reflective actualization, none of the above. So the answer of eighth question is highest level of reflection leads to moral dimension of reflection action, worthwhileness. So the answer of eighth question is A, worthwhileness. Now the ninth question is which of the following is not one of the perspective given by Brookfield for reflective practice? So the answer of ninth, the option is practitioners, colleagues, society, learner, and stabilized theory. So the answer of ninth question is Brookfield for perspective, the practitioner, the learner, colleagues, and stabilized theory. So the answer of ninth question is C, society. Now the 10th question is the dash area of the Johari window refers to the area that you are unaware of and that can be reduced by asking other for more transparent feedback. So the option is open, blind, hidden, unknown, and none of the above. So answer of 10th question is blind area you are unaware of can be reduced by asking other for more transparent feedback. So the answer of 10th question is B, blind. Now the 11th question is problem based learning focuses on. These are the options. So the answer of 11th question is blank. So the answer we know that the answer of 11th question is F. Students learn through analyzing and solving a problem. Now the 12th question is the concept of continuous professional development comprehensively means a pedagogical skill development, B, professional action, C, updates curriculum, and so on. So the answer of 12th question is continuous professional development, CPD. CPD is about enhancing and extending knowledge, pedagogy, and experience, a way of enhancing effectiveness. As a a researcher and teacher. So the answer of 12th question is E, enhancing effectiveness as a research and teacher. Now the submit answer. So thank you guys for watching this video.